heard the male coaches. You've heard the female coaches. You've heard the so-called pickup artists and their promises.
Hey boy, the nigga whole style is chump.
And yet, men are still losing. 97% of men today consciously or unconsciously chase women. They try to appease. They try to please. And from the very beginning, they lose from the inception. But today, that changes. You're about to embark on a journey, a revolution of the mind, a complete constructed transformation of how you see yourself and how you understand women and how you operate in the world. The doctrine you're about to hear is dissident. It challenges everything you've been taught. It's unfiltered. It's unapologetic. This is not advice. This is Tazadoctrine.